Dearly beloved, we are all gathered here in the presence of God and His people to join Rommel and Odette in the holy state of matrimony. Marriage is an honorable state instituted of God. It signifies the mystical union that is between Christ and His church, which Christ adorned with His holy presence, and God ordained marriage for the mutual company, health, and comfort of man and woman, both in prosperity and adversity. Into this holy state, Rommel and Odette come now to be ceremonially and religiously joined.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa aking magulang. Kung meron isang taong masaya sa araw na ito, si Mami yun. Kaya lang wala siya ngayon. I would like to honor my parents kasi they have made me for who I am right now. Marami pa rin akong pagkukulang, pero yung good characteristics ko galing sa kanila, and I cannot deny them. I cannot deny that. I love my parents, and that's why this event is happening, because I want to honor God, and I want to honor my parents, and also my family and my friends. I love my parents, and I will never forget them. I love you, Daddy.